I don't want to go to Florida. Bailey, I said I don't want to go to Florida. Read this. Here, this fellow that calls himself the Misfit is loose from the federal pen and headed toward Florida. And you read here what it says. He did to these people, just you read it. I wouldn't take my children in any direction with a criminal like that. Loose in it. I couldn't answer to my conscience if I did. Bailey! The children have been to Florida before. You'll ought to take them somewhere else for a change so they would see different parts of the world and be broad. They never have been to East Tennessee.
If you don't want to go to Florida, why don't you stay at home?
She wouldn't stay at home to be queen for a day. And what would you do if the fellow misfit comes here?
I'll smack his face.
She wouldn't stay at home for $1,000,000, afraid she'd miss something. She has to go everywhere we go. Okay, miss, but just remember the next time you ask me to color your hair. My hair was naturally curly.
One time, when I was a maiden, I was courted by a man named Edgar Atkins T. Garden. He was a gentleman who brought me watermelon every Sunday with his initials carving it. However, one day I was not home.
And the black boy came and took the watermelon because he thought he would eat.
We're here at the tower for barbecue sandwich.
These days, you don't know who starts to
People nowadays are saying that you have muscle
Good man is hard to find.
I remember few patients that I visited. There's a secret panel inside, hiding the family silver.
Oh, can we go?
We haven't seen a house like that. Mom, Dad!
Alright, will you all shut up just for a second?
It will be more educational for them. The dirt road you have to turn down is a mile back.
Third row. This house better show up.
The house is... in Tennessee! Help! Help! We had an accident! We had an accident! But nobody's dead! I believe an injured organ! Maybe a car will come along.
Good afternoon. I see you had a nasty spill. Got an accident.
Flip over twice! What you got? Done got for?
Lady, do you mind calling them? Now, I want you all to sit there where you are at. What are you telling us to do for?
Come here!
Look here. Where is it?
You're the misfit!
Messiah, but it will be there for all of you if you had readiness.
Great, Mom. Thank you. We're all here.
Sometimes I might say things I don't know.
But you only see me lady.
I wouldn't make you happy.
I know you're a good man. You don't like a man who has common girls. I know you must care for nice
Watching children, Bobby, you know they make me service.
You shouldn't call yourself a misfit. I know you're a good man by heart. I can tell them by just looking at you.
I appreciate that thing.
Ralph, why don't you take this man and his sad boy back? I'll be back in a minute, Mom. Wait for me.
Come back here that instant. I know you're a good man.
I ain't a good man, but I ain't the worst either.
Do you ever pray?
I was a gospel singer for a while. Been in service for both land and sea. Been married twice and done a lot. But along the lines, I did something wrong and was knocked out.
You should have prayed.
Funny thing is that I don't even know why I was punished until someone gave me an excuse. They accused me of murdering my dad. He really died of disease.
If you pray, Jesus will help you.
I don't want no help. I'm fine on my own.
If I had been there when he raised the dead, I wouldn't be who I am now.
Well, you're one of me. You're my child.
3. Someone had pointed a gun at me. All your life, she would have been a good.
Shut up, Mom. There's no pleasure in this.